Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change performance in Raya. First, open the Raya app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the main screen, tap on your profile icon. This is usually in the corner of your app. Now tap Settings. Inside Settings, look for Preferences or Setting Discovery and tap on it. This is where you control who you can see on Raya. Here you can change settings like age range, distance, gender or dating preference, visibility option. Tap on each option and adjust it to what you prefer. Most changes save automatically, so you don't usually need to press save button. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.